From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Eric's forecast.
After the absolutely beautiful weekend we had last weekend, this weekend not as well, as we had some scattered showers roll through during the afternoon, and we're going to have another round of possibly scattered showers and a few thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. So don't put away the umbrellas just yet or the rain gear, because you might need it tomorrow. But then moving into the upcoming work week, you'll be able to put that away, as sunshine will be returning along with a big time cool down once again. So taking a look across the country, we can see we have some disturbances making their way through. We have this area of low pressure pushing into the southern portion of Florida, bringing some showers and a few thunderstorms down towards the Miami area. We also have a little bit of a frontal system up towards Atlanta, over towards northern Alabama into Mississippi. We have some snow still continuing back through the northeast, but we're beginning to watch this area. This is an area where low pressure and a cold front will be developing later tonight. That is going to bring the possibility for some strong and severe thunderstorms. Already got some severe thunderstorm watches in effect, and even 1 or 2 warnings back through Arkansas and down into Mississippi. Eventually, that's what's going to move through tomorrow and bring us a chance for some more rain. And then we're also watching another area of moisture back into California and into Arizona, but that looks like it's going to stay more to the south and not really affect us, as we should start to see some drier conditions into the first half of the upcoming work week. So there's the scattered showers that rolled through this afternoon. Those have pretty much all pushed off to the east and have begun to fizzle out. So heading over towards LSU for the baseball game this evening, no real problems. And even here in Acadiana, we shouldn't have any issues tonight. So if you're heading out, should be good to go, but we will have a good bit of cloud covers, and that's going to keep temperatures pretty much on the comfortable side, as we'll hang in the upper to mid 60s most of the evening, and we're sitting at 69 right now. You can see dew points with today's showers have come up into the mid 60s, so that's why temperatures won't move a whole lot, and winds are beginning to die down a little bit now as we push later into the evening. So for the rest of tonight, not looking too bad, just looking at cloud cover and temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. You can see by tomorrow morning, there's that front beginning to make its way into North Louisiana. It'll begin to slowly make its way down towards Acadiana by about lunchtime. You can see some of those stronger storms up towards Ville Platte and Alexandria as the front makes its way through. We'll continue to see the chance for scattered showers and a few thunderstorms through the afternoon and even into the early evening down around the Gulf Coast. Could still have 1 or 2 showers to end out the day, but we should begin to see things clear out by Monday. But we're going to turn breezy and cooler with temperatures dropping down into the 50s, and we're going to stay in the 50s pretty much all day on Monday, thanks to those winds coming out of the north. As mentioned, the severe threat this evening back through Arkansas and into Mississippi. Also the northern half of Louisiana under a marginal risk for some severe weather, but that will move down into our region come tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. So all of Acadiana and much of South Louisiana under the possibility for a marginal risk of damaging wind gusts up to about 60 miles per hour, maybe some quarter-size hail, and a quick spin-up tornado cannot be ruled out. But it's going to be very isolated. It's going to be one of those very isolated cells that move through tomorrow. As for the rain, not looking at a whole lot, very similar to what we saw today. Maybe a 1/10 to a 1/4 of an inch of rain, so not looking at any real flooding concerns with this, but a nice little soaking for some of those flower beds that are starting to get started with the temperatures warming up a little bit. So this evening, temperatures not moving a whole lot. We can see maybe getting down to around 67, 66 by tomorrow morning. Through the afternoon, we'll make our way into the lower 70s, but there's that front bringing the cooler air into our region. By Monday morning, we'll be waking up in the upper to mid 40s to get the day started, and then pretty much staying there through the afternoon. Temperatures not moving a whole lot, maybe briefly getting into the lower 60s come Monday, but feeling like the upper 50s thanks to those winds out of the north between 15 to 20 miles per hour. So a mild evening for Acadiana. Some patchy fog developing late, especially those areas that got a little bit more rain today. So can't rule out the possibility of a stray drizzle, but I think most of us are dry. 66 for the overnight low. And don't forget, tonight is daylight saving time, so that means clocks get moved an hour ahead. So you will be losing an hour of sleep, but the good news is, look at that, sunset tomorrow evening, not till 7:13. So we will begin to start gaining some daylight throughout our Sunday and into much of next week. For our Sunday, scattered showers and a few thunderstorms could be on the strong to severe side. Otherwise, mostly cloudy and warm, temperatures making their way into the mid 70s. There's the cool air for Monday, and then we stay relatively cool all the way through much of next week, as temperatures only in the 60s for highs with overnight lows in the 40s. Starting to warm up by Friday, getting back into the mid 70s and continuing to warm through next weekend. But with the warmer temperatures also comes the clouds and the slight chance for some showers. Next weekend, not looking to be a washout, but I would keep the umbrella handy as we could have some spotty showers in the area.